So the last few questions I have not gone through, but I have gone through approx 30 to 40 questions.
Okay. So what are the local and global variables?
So local variables are the variables which are initialized within a method, and global variables are initialized outside the method, and it can be used within the whole program.
Okay. And how the global and static variables are different?
So global variable, the changes made in global variable are reflected within the whole program, whereas in static variables, when we make changes to the variable, it is reflected only within that class. All the methods and constructors which are used within that class.
It was not clear. You please check it later, okay, after the interview. What is a
Like
volatile variable?
volatile, the variables which are stored in main memory and not in cache memory are known as volatile variable.
It is stored in main memory, right?
Yes, sir.
So what may affect when it is being accessed by threads? What are the effects that may occur?
So I don't have an idea about it. I have
Okay.
not done the class also. I was to say you that one by one, sir, 1 month class, like not.
What is a pointer?
So pointer is a variable which points to the address of another variable.
Okay,
But in
and
Java it is not used because
mm,
of some security reasons.
okay, and what is a recursion?
So recursion is the iteration where it calls itself. Iteration of loops where it calls itself.
Okay, the method where it call itself, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the data structure that can be used to perform recursion?
Stack, LIFO, last in first out.
Okay, and what are the basic stack operations?
Insertion, deletion, and display. Push, pop, and peep.
Yes, push pop,
Yes.
full is empty, like that. Okay. What is a circular simply linked list?
So it is a linked list where the last node contains the. So I'm not clear about it.
Okay, okay,
Like it does not have a starting and ending point. When we start we transverse it to, we used to transvert it again and again, and we used to finally reach to the start point only.
okay. What is an operating system?
So operating system is a program um, mm, which is initially uploaded in our computer, and all the program, like all the applications used to perform any task using that program only, like operating system only.
Okay. What is a command interpreter?
Command interpreter is interpreter where we used to first write the command, and with that command the instructions are performed. Like there are no buttons and no typing, like sorry, no screen touch. We used to write all the commands. If we want to add, we want to subtract, and then the instructions will be like performed.
Okay. What is a zombie process in operating system?
Zombie process occurs in parent and child process, where when the where when a child completes the process and is waiting in the terminated state and sends the message to the parent class, and the time it takes to send the message that it has completed its process, that is known as zombie process. May I, sir,
Okay.
explain again?
Yes, you may.
Like we all know that there is a parent and a child. when the child completes the process and it wants to acknowledge the parent class that it is being done, that process is known as zombie process. At the time it takes to acknowledge the parent class that it has completed the process.
Basically, it's a process that has terminated but not yet fully removed from the system's process table. Okay,
So, but I have searched and I got this answer
it's
only.
okay. Okay. I will share the answers as well. What do you mean by context switching?
Context switching occurs when a process is being done, like it's on its way, and a priority process comes on its way and wants the resource, so the less priority process gives its resource and waits for a while, and it saves the process till wherever it has done, and the priority process when the priority process completes its execution, then it when then the resource is being like given to the less priority which was being executed at first, and then it completes its process.
Okay. What is
So
the difference between preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling?
non-primitive scheduling in non-primitive scheduling there is a limited time given to the process, and in non-primitive scheduling uh, the resources are taken back only when the whole process is completed.
Okay. And what is a deadlock situation in multi-threading?
Deadlock situation occurs when two or more threads wants the same resources in when two or more threads wants the same resources, or so there are many conditions, like one resources when two when so you may please repeat the question, I forgot the question.
What is a deadlock situation in multi-threading environment?
Multi deadlock situation occurs when two or more threads in a process occurs when there are two or more threads in a process, and one thread wants the locks which is being mm, taken by the another thread in a circular chain, like the like a1 and a2 lock. A1 and A2, these are two locks, and both want each other locks, but they also want the lock which they contain. Some I am
Okay. It's okay. So what are the different types of memory?
main memory, secondary memory, and cache memory.
And okay,
So that's on.
okay,
Sorry, primary memory, secondary memory, and cache memory. And in primary memory, RAM, ROM, secondary memory, all the memories which we add externally, like pen drive and all. And cache memory is the memory which is near to the CPU, whenever uh, whenever we are using any app or anything, it is between the main memory and the computer. We can easily take the so um
it's okay, Ankita. It was